Okay students, very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about our next topic that is derivative of logarithmic functions taken from your first chapter of mathematics 2, that is differentiation. Okay, here we have two functions. First one is y is equal to f of x to the power g of x, and second one is y is equal to product of two functions in numerator, that are f1x and f2x divided by g1x and whole to the power g2x. Okay, in this lecture we are discuss about introduction of this topic, that is derivative of logarithmic functions. Okay, students, we know that this one is not so complicated, but second one is so complicated. Okay, we can differentiate first one using the derivative of composite functions or in using our chain rule, but the second one is we can differentiate, but that is so complicated. The derivative of such type of functions is possible, but that will be so complicated. So for that, to simplify the given functions, we have to, if we use the laws of logarithms, we get a simplified form of a given complicated functions. Okay, clear? Means after using laws of logarithm, we get a simplified form of a complicated function. So for that, we should know the laws of logarithms first. Okay, that's studied by you in standard 11th. Okay, let us remind that three basic laws of logarithms. Okay, let us remind. Okay, first one is law of product. Second one is, okay, let us discuss. First one is law of product, means log of m into n to the base e is equal to log of product of two functions named as m and n to the base e, means natural logarithms. Okay, log of m into n is given as log of m to the base e plus log of n to the base e. First one, law of product, and second one is law of quotient. Law of quotient means log of m by n to the base e is equal to log of m to the base e minus log of n to the base e. Clear? This one is law of quotient, and third one is law of exponent. Law of exponent, that is log of m to the power n to the base e. Log of m to the power n to the base e is equal to given as n into log of m to the base e. Okay, so these three are basic laws of logarithms. After using these three laws, we will receive a simplified form of a given complicated functions. Okay, clear? Let us see the first one. In first one, y is equal to f of x to the power g of x, and we know that this one is an exponential function, means the base is f of x and power is g of x. Means this, if we have to apply the law of logarithm, then we have to see the law of exponent, which one is log of m to the power n, and this one is equal to log of m to the base e is multiplied by n. Okay, means if we compare this with our third law, that is law of exponent, we can conclude that we have to take the logarithms of both sides. If we take log of both sides, we can use the law of exponent. Here in first one, y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. Taking log of both sides, we get log of y is equal to log of f of x to the power g of x. And here this one is natural logarithm, e is understood. Base is e, log of m to the power n to the base e, that is natural logarithm. E is understood. So log of f of x to the power g of x to the base e, that f of x is at the place of m, and n is working as g of x. So using law of logarithm means law of exponent, we can write it as g of x into log of f of x to the base e. Now if we have to differentiate the given functions with respect to x or with respect to any function, then we have two functions, means the product of two functions. First one is gx and second one is log of f of x. And after using derivative of product rule, means dy dx of u into v, we get the derivative of y, means this one is u, this one is v. Okay, clear? Means we get a simplified form of the given functions. Okay, let us discuss the second one, that is y is equal to f1x into f2x divided by z1x to the power z2x. And we know that this is a complicated function involve the product, quotient and power of different functions. So if we apply the law of logarithm, we get a simplified form, and after applying the rule of derivative, we get differentiate of y. Okay, let us discuss about the second part, and please note that here, if we take log of both sides, if y is equal to, if we take log of both sides, we get, if we take log of both sides of second form, log of y is equal to log of f1x into f2x dividing by z1x to the power g2x. Okay, if we take log of both sides, we get log of something. And here log of this one is this one whole, log of m to the power n. This one is working as m and this one is working as n. Log of m to the power n means log of exponent, and like this, fx means m to the power n. Clear? And this one is equal to log of m to the power. This one is m and this one is n. Means base. This is the base and this one is power. So log of m to the power n, this is equal to n. N means g2x multiplied by log of m. M means f1x multiplied by f2x divided by g1x. Clear? And log of this one, again please see, log of this one is m, and this one is n. So we have log of quotient. Log of quotient means log of m by n. This one is m and this one is n. Log of m by n, and this is equal to g2x multiplied by log of m by n is log of m minus log of n. Log of m means log of f1x into f2x minus log of g1x. Clear? Okay. Log of m by n, log of m minus log of n, and this is equal to g2x into here log of m into n. This one is working as m and this one is working as n. So we have law of product, log of m into n. So we can write it as log of f1x plus log of f2x, okay, minus log of g1x. Okay, clear? And after, and this one is a capital bracket, so on opening the whole bracket we get g2x into log of f1x plus g2x into log of f2x minus g2x into log of g1x. Okay, and here left hand side we have log of y. So in this way we get a simplified form, means further we have to considering it as u and v. u means we have to apply law of derivative of product rule. Okay, so students please note down